Greetings, everybody. Happy New Year from Cucina Catarina here in sunny South Florida. So many people are calling and wanting to start off the new year right with a healthy way of living, and of course that includes the lusciousness of food. You've got my newsletter, and we talked about making our beautiful broth. You can see we did this with meat, so we have a nice layer of fat. If you do it with veggie, you won't have that, so it's your choice whether you're veggie or carnivore. My husband happens to love the bean and the bone broth, both. So this is what we started with from the newsletter. If you didn't get the newsletter, please send me a message and I'll make sure you get it. So we took the broth, we seasoned it with a little celery, onion, curry powder. I've decided to make this more of a Indian flair today. This is ginger that I had frozen that I'm going to grate, and you can see it's quite wet, so it's nice. You'll even get some of the juice that'll go into your broth. This is very warming. We went down to 45 degrees last night here in Florida. I know that's a heat wave for you northerners, but we were all bundled up this morning. Now, what we're going to add to this is a little coconut milk, maybe half the can, and all these beautiful leftover sweet potatoes from dinner last night. And of course, if you're wearing gloves, it's nice because then you don't have to worry about sanitary conditions. You can handle the food with no problem. Now we're going to stir this up, and we are going to have a gorgeous Indian curry sweet potato soup for lunch today. Stay warm out there.